Yo, so y'all catch me in Vilnius. I've just went out of the McDonald's. I had to take care of some business, you know. Went to the bathroom, take a shit, take a dump, and then now we're good. So this is gonna be a short little video on the taspatspro generic travel videos channel. So we just rocking, we just walking and rocking. Across the road. So yeah. Now I've just been kind of visiting. I didn't really want to make any content. I have already 2 vlogs made, and they're just like stored on my PC. Not really edited anything. I should edit them, but I might edit this one first because it's a lot easier. Just one day, me walking probably until like 6 p.m. and then I'm gonna meet up with my cousin, but it's a female, so I don't think it's correct to say cousin. But my mother's sister's daughter. Yeah, I'm gonna meet up with her, sleep over at her place, and we'll be good. So right now I'm going to taspatspro. I gotta buy myself earbuds. I wanna buy myself some earbuds that have the wire back, so I can probably wear it at my job, you know. I can wear it with the, and I lose my earbuds super fucking easily, so like I need something that has like the wire going from one to the other one, right? Then I could kind of like sling it, like just leave it hanging on my neck, right? While I work, or like I talk to a customer. I need something like that. I think that'd be real good. So I'm gonna buy it here. I could buy it in Norway, but like I really don't got anything to do right now. So I thought, you know what, fuck it, we just walk, do a little trip, it'll be good. That's the idea. So yeah. It is beautiful though. Hopefully I filmed some of the architecture for y'all interested in architecture. I do kind of feel like a retard filming. I'm not so like, I'm not such a, I think I have the skill of like not giving a fuck, right? But I'm not an extroverted type of person. So it's like for me, when people come, I just kind of want to mute myself, right? Just not be an ass. But the I don't give a shit part kind of takes over sometimes, and it's fine, you know. Let's see where we are now. I think this is the old town. Vilnius old town. Looks interesting. I mean, interesting. I kind of don't give a shit about the architecture, but it's cool. It's cool making content while we're out and about traveling, you know. Lithuania, I've been to many times. I am from Lithuania, so there's like kind of nothing real special. I mean, it's cool, but like it's nothing cool, you know. Much rather go some like other country like Greece or something. Oh, jaywalking. Fuck it. I think I'm going the correct way. I gotta be going the correct way. You know, the Ukraine war and stuff, you know, in Lithuania, they've really been like kind of part of it. Like, I mean, we're pretty close to Russia, right? So like there's a Ukraine flag. There used to be a lot more of them, but they probably like, you know, it's not the current thing anymore. The current thing right now, as of 26th of May, yeah, of May 2024, the current thing is the Israel war still, and there are talks of the Ukraine war ending as in the Russians always never wanted to have a long war, stuff like that. You know, it's putting it straight on everybody, except some people, some groups of individuals, maybe China or something like that. The park's really nice though. I don't want to film anything. Should not film here. Let's leave the park. That's greenery. Me in greenery? Isn't that kind of crazy? That's kind of unlike me, isn't it? I mean, it's cool. Super cool. It's kind of like old people looking at me recording. I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe think like I'm a popular vlogger, but then you look at me. I'm kind of fat-ish. In a way, right? Like this gotta be one of my first vlogs because I haven't been taking too many steps. I don't know. A little more active part of the park. Let's see where this road takes us. Maybe it's an exit. We're not really in the center of Vilnius. We're kind of on the outskirts. Still on the outskirts, but it's cool. We're gonna be going to Lukiškių Arena. See what that's about. Just like a park, I think. Well, there are many parks over here actually. Aikštė, Lukiškių Aikštė. It's no arena. It's just a place. It's fine. That'll be this vlog's landmark. Lukiškių place. No, that would be. I'm thinking of the word. What could be changed out with the. Translated from Aikštė to English, but I'm not. Language is just not one of my strong suits. Whatever. Now we entered Lukiškių Aikštė. I mean, it's like a open area. It's just like an open area. Cool, right? A huge open area. I want to show you all this. It's like the roads just go on. Feel like it's kind of pretty, isn't it? It's kind of pretty how the road just continues on. Let's go along the Lukiškių Aikštė a little bit, not go back to the curb. Let's enjoy this place, you know. I feel like if you want to just come to a place and kind of like just walk and see things, I think Lithuania is pretty good, but do it like this time of year, like May, June, July, like the summertime. Because in the cold, I think this place is pretty shit. Like, I don't know, bro. I should be smiling, shouldn't I? I should be. Now we're at Lukiškių Aikštė. Look at this beautiful place. And I like, look at this Lukiškių Aikštė. Some shit like that. I don't know. Like, I feel like I'm doing a poor job of doing this whole vlogging thing. I should watch more Bald and Bankrupt videos. I should. But then, like, he goes pretty deep in, like, to where he is and what it means and what they did there. He's pretty good at this whole vlogging thing. I'm not. I also don't really do any research on the places I go. So, like, whatever, you know. Let's take a look over here at the river. It will be incredibly beautiful though. Incredibly beautiful. You could walk along the riverside though. It would be kind of cool though. Maybe on the other side. We'll see. Let me cross the bridge first. Gotta be careful not to go on the bike lane. I'm gonna for sure get hit. It is beautiful over here though. All the people sunbathing, people swimming over here. I don't know how safe it is to swim here, but I mean, it's not bad though. Like, probably ain't no sewage being dumped in the river like there'd be in India or like some third world trash countries. I don't really got anything against India, just they have a bad rep though. It would be cool if I actually did a trip there, you know. How naked I would come back, like how much shit would they steal from me? Maybe not. Maybe it's like, maybe there are like a lot of vloggers there. Maybe I find another vlogger, we team up, you know. We'll see. I don't really got the clout though, you know. There are probably a lot of other vloggers who don't also have the clout I could team up with. We'll see. That's Nikki. They actually don't have Starbucks there in Lithuania. There's so much like competition when it comes to like coffee and stuff like that. You're like just caffeine store named, like a coffee shop named Caffeine. God, look at this. People out here are active. Oh God. It's beautiful over here. It's really beautiful. I'm not gonna be recording so much in the store, but we'll see when I catch you back. So they didn't have what I needed. No, bro. Lithuanian electronic stores are so weak, bro. Okay, I'm leaving. I gotta go now. Immediately have to go. I'm probably gonna just go to my mother's sister's daughter's place right now. Probably gonna go somewhere to eat, you know. We'll see. I think it'll be good. And we emerged here. Cool. Just skimmed past that super quick. I think I should have stopped, maybe show you all the pictures, like the before and after. But yeah, I think y'all can find that shit online if y'all super interested. But to be honest, this is what this video is about, right? I'll come here to like really be fed information, and I'm not really doing a good job of it, right? So I gotta hustle up. I'm gonna edit the 3 vlogs that I have, and I just always say I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do something, but I never do it. Anyways, I gotta hustle up. That's the bridge we just went over. So I got the hiccups. That's the bridge we just went over. That's the skyscraper we were just looking at, which is looking mighty magnificent, if I do say so myself. So yeah, let's back. Let's go. Let me just sit down actually. Uh-huh.